Hey, it's Ron here. Are you tired of juggling spreadsheets, emails, and endless resumes just to hire one single candidate? What if I told you there's a tool that can simplify your entire hiring process in OnePlus? Welcome to JazzHR. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Hi everyone, so I'm Ron here, and today we will be deep diving into JazzHR, a powerful recruitment platform designed to help you hire smarter and faster. Whether you're new to JazzHR or just looking to optimize your workflow, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. So in the next upcoming time, we will cover up how to post jobs, how to manage candidates application very efficiently, how to collaborate, how to use reports to make data-driven hiring decisions. By the way, this is just an introduction information video, right? So let's get started. If you have ever dealt with disorganized resumes, missed emails, or lost candidates information, you know it's really frustrating. And I also face the same issue. Without the right tool, it's very easy to waste time, lose tracks of candidates, and miss out on top talent. So I've been here too, managing spreadsheets and juggling, right? So first of all, you have to, JazzHR is an all-in-one recruitment platform. You have to just come to jazzhr.com, just go to Google, search for JazzHR, and here you will land up, right? And from posting jobs to managing candidates and collaborations with your teams, JazzHR, everything in one place. I'm so sorry, sometimes I mispronounce the word because it's too difficult to do this. Jazz HR. Okay, so without any wasting time, the first step is any hiring process is getting your job in front of the right candidate, right? So first of all, you have to make an account. So before making an account, it's not a free platform. It gives you a 14 days free trial, but only after you apply for the demo. So let's talk about the pricing. This is the annually pay and this is a monthly pay, right? You can see here they gives you three plan: Hero, Plus, and Pro. Where there's no plan of superhero. Anyway, just kidding. Now here you can see here Hero gives you 75 USD per month, 269 USD per month, that is a plus one, and Pro is 420. Obviously the Pro version is much more better than the Plus, and Plus is better than Hero. But if you're just starting out, if you're a small enterprise, just go with the Hero. Right now, once you're here, just scroll down and you will find this option, a book a free demo, and one of the team member from Jazz HR will be in contact with you and they will help you with each and everything. So let's click on see a demo. Now here you can select all this information and you can see here fill out the forms and representative will contact you, and click on request your demo now. Right now here you can see a book now using the link below. So you can also book, let it just open. Okay, so you can schedule on which day you're free, and at this specific time a member from Zaz HR will be in contact with you and they will schedule a demo where they will explain each and every function and everything about Zaz HR. I hope you understood till now. Make sure you use clear keyword rich job description. Right, so first of all, what does mean by keyword rich job description? So once you log in into your account, once you have purchased a subscription, by the way, there's a link given in the description. If there is, please use that link to buy because it will give you a good discount and it's affiliate link, right? So it's a way to support our channel. Now once you log in into your Zaz HR account, click on job and then create job. Now fill in the job details including title, descriptions, location, and qualification. Fill in the job details including all this information. Choose where to post your job. Option, for example, you don't need to just go and post it everywhere again and again manually. No, once you use Jazz HR, right, you post it here on the Jazz HR platform. You have to just integrate the whichever platform you want to post for once. For example, Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, as well as the premium options. Make sure you use clear keyword-rich job description to attract more qualified candidates. For example, instead of saying marketing manager, try digital marketing manager with SEO expertise. So as much as long keyword it will be, the Zaz HR, AI, or whatever the algorithm will able to identify it much more properly, and it will make much more easy for you. So you can show a live example, right? And it's really easy. Once you just get the demo, ask them and they will help you with it. Now, once application starts coming in, Zaz HR help you stay organized by centralizing all candidate information in one dashboard. You can go to the candidates tab to view all the applicants. You can use filter to sort key, candidates by status, source, or score. Review resumes and add notes directly to the system. Move candidates through stages, for example, screening, interview, by dragging and dropping them. So set up automated email templates to save time when communication with candidates. For example, create a template for rejection email or interview confirmation. So in this way, you don't have to just go and manually text each and every candidate, right? It will save a hell lot of time, right? Depending upon how much bigger company you are serving. Now, hiring is a very team effort, and JazzHR make collaboration very seamless, right? If there's so many departments in your company, and every department, every team leader, ask you to hire specifically to their need, so you can use this part, and it's really easy. You can invite team members to join your JazzHR account, assign tasks like interviews or reference check, leave feedback, and rate candidates directly in the system. Use the built-in calendar integration to schedule interview without leaving JazzHR. Just save time and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Data is a key to improving your hiring process, and JazzHR provide powerful reporting tools. You can just go to the report section, generate reports on metrics like time to hire, source effectiveness, and pipeline diversity. Now, make sure you regularly review your reports to identify a bottleneck and optimize your workflow. For example, if you notice a long time to hire, consider streamlining your interview process. Now, JazzHR allow you to automate. Now, what I mean by the automate here, so here you can just automate you to represent repetitive tasks like sending follow-ups, emails, or moving candidates to the next stage. This saves times and ensure consistency. Now, connect JazzHR with tools like Slack, Zoom, and Bamboo HR for seamless experience. For example, you can schedule interview by Zoom directly from JazzHR. You can add your company logo and color to the job posting and email to maintain a professional brand image. If you encounter issues, check Zaz HR help centers to or contact the support team. They're incredibly responsive and helpful. So this is how you can just get to know more about the Zaz HR, and you can use it very efficiently. So I hope you understood that Zaz HR simplifies hiring by helping you post jobs, manage candidates, collaborate with your team, and make data-driven decisions. With these steps, you will save time and hire best candidate. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up. By the way, there's a link given in the description. Please use that link to buy a subscription, right? And it will give you a great discount. It's a way to support our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I will love to hear how you're using a JazzHR and answer any question. For more tutorials like this, check out my playlist on recruitment tools and strategies. And thank you much for watching. You are amazing, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, great hiring start with the right tools. See you soon.